My name's Daniel, and this is my V8 go-kart. Welcome back, everybody. We're working on the rear axle of this thing. We got it moved back, but we need to add some supports. Let me pop these tires off and show you what I'm talking about. So I made this system here. Basically, it holds a bearing on the outside, and we have one on the inside. The goal is to push the bearing as close to the tire as physically possible to keep that axle from bending, because there was a nice gap like that big and the axle was bending because of that gap. So it supported a lot better and hopefully the axle won't bend. But I think this mount is going to bend the way it is right now. So I'm going to put a support from up here on the motor mount down to here to help triangulate it and keep that from bending. So I have two pieces of pipe like this, but the problem is they're already spoken for. They're going to mount under here, and they're going to tie this all together on the bottom, strengthen up that S-bend that's already kind of weak. So I already have a place for those. I'm not going to use those for the mount. Then I have these tubes, which worked well in the radiator, but I don't think it's strong enough to support this. So those aren't going to work. I need to find something else to support those with. There's got to be something around here. Got some metal under here. That's a piece of box tubing. I don't think that's much better than those pieces I have already that are too small. What else do we have? Hey, that looks pretty good. So this tube stuff, it's been up there since I bought the place, and I have absolutely no idea why it's up there. I haven't been able to figure it out. And you know what? I like some free metal, so let's take it down and use it. We've now salvaged over $30 worth of plumbing pipe from the ceiling. Awesome. We're going to use this one, and we'll save the rest for if the house breaks or something. So I'm going to cut the threaded ends off, so that way nobody can tell this is a piece of black pipe, and it'll be our little secret. Remember, don't tell anyone. All right, we got our totally not plumbing pipe all ready to go. We just need to fit it now. So we got to take some out of here and a little bit out of there and get it fitting up nice and tight to this pipe so we get a nice solid joint. I think we're ready to burn this bad boy in. So that should strengthen it up a good bit, I think. We've gotten it welded in. It's looking good, and that is going to strengthen that side up a bunch. Let's hop over to the other side. Got it welded in. It looks fantastic, or at least as good as it could. Another thing I'm going to do real quick, because it'll be easy, is I'm going to lop these corners off a little bit. Maybe not too far, but enough because the tire sticks over a little. So I want to just knock it back a little on both sides. All right, we got both sides cleaned up, a little bit more room for the wheel. I guess let's slide them on real quick. So it is very slightly narrower than the front in the back, but it's not very noticeable. And if we go to those bigger tires, it'll look good because it'll be in the right amount. It won't be sticking out the width of the tire. So it looks pretty good. It's clearing nicely. Maybe this side would be an easier way to show you, but everything's clearing really nicely. We've got lots of room. So it's working out pretty well. So it's a little bit like a Chevy truck. If you squint at it and look really carefully, the front is a little bit wider. Nothing wrong with that. It's actually going to help it steer better with that rear end being a little bit narrower. So I'm happy with it. That's all we have time for tonight. But make sure you tune in tomorrow because I do a video every single day. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. I'm hoping that by the time he invites me, this thing is in burnout mode. I think it's going to take a little while to get his attention, especially with low subscribers like I have now. Which brings me to my next point. If you want to see this thing done and you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, please. That way you get a notification, it comes up in your feed, and you can see this thing progressing. Leave comments, tell your friends, anything you can do to help me out. I want to grow the channel, and that's ultimately going to help me get the parts I need to turn this into a burnout machine.